This is how it look at night when it's raining outside. You see that water hitting the top of the roof of that building? This is Ghana, West Africa, you guys. This is how it look at night out here when it's raining. Pouring down rain. You can see that rain coming down. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining cats and dogs. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining cats and dogs. Well, not frogs. Just water. Not even cats and dogs. Hey. Look how that water's hitting the top of the roof up there. And make it look like fog or smoke or something. You know? Then you see the water coming out of the pipes, the drainage, and it's catching into the barrels down there. Catching the rainwater. Yep. Okay, you guys. Talk to you later. Assalamu alaikum. Africa to the world. Straight up. Oh. It opened my door. Oh my goodness.